Hello guys, welcome to my video. Today, we're gonna play 99 Nights Hardcore. And why did you put it there? That's so sweet. By the way, yes, this is a good, no, yes, that's a good. Okay guys, I'm planting this bee tree. Where's my flashlight? Skibidi dab dab dab, yes, it's good, baby. Let's go here.
White na white. Alam mo,
I hate this. What are you even doing to our camping? This is the hardcore, not the camping core.
hindi. Kasi alam mo, parang datingan niya talaga na surprise. Kala ko nga dress lang. Sabi ko, sige. Sabi
I got a sapling. Oh man, I'm gonna leave you alone.
Tapos mahaba.
Oh, our tree, it's growing.
Laylaya.
Supply crate. Bed, what?
Kaso nga,
I'm gonna put it here.
ang alawan.
What?
Kaya sabi ko nga kay ate. Kay ate,
What should I buy?
tingnan mo ang haba, oh.
Ano?
Haba. Sabi ko nga kay
Who died? Bro, nobody died, but who? Wow, sweet. And they are gonna talk about this or talk to somebody.
kung next year mo pa ito iuwi, hindi na magagamit ni AC. Sabi ko, asan yung ni AC?
Sampay.
Oo, tapos sabi niya, oo nga, no, sabi ko sa akin. Tapos, buti naman napadala nito.
I'm so hungry and I need your food.
Okay lang yan, madami naman magpamana, dami niyang pizza na babae.
Ano yan? Rin.
Sabi niya, meron pa nga daw binibigay na isa sa kanya, di niya lang daw kinuha. Kasi,
Don't make me kill a
parang
bee.
maliit daw, maliit.
Bro, you're under a flower. No, I said don't take me to the bee. I said don't. I hate you.
Wala akong plastic.
Bro, don't mind me. I'm just killing a rabbit.
Maleta ko.
What you guys doing? The rabbit first me. Not
Sabay
me.
ko dyan. Sabi niya.
Hi guys. Oh no, I'm hungry. Need some. Oh.
Kahit saan
No. Bro, I hate this. Bye bye guys.